So this is a very common interview question that I've asked, and I have seen a lot of students making the same mistake again and again. So let's first see what is the question. The question is quite simple. You are given a table, let's say department info, and all I'm asking is find me the employees with the second highest salary. As simple as that, right? Now, a lot of people will come out and say, okay, this is so simple, right? All I would use is a ranking function. And here is where the question becomes a little trickier, right? Now, the first thing that you have to understand is that what type of ranking function will you use? Will you use row number? Will you use rank? Will you use dense rank? That is quite important. And a lot of people don't really think a lot, and they'll answer row number I'll use, or I'll use let's say rank, or I'll use dense rank. And this is where I am actually testing you whether you really understand the difference between the use cases where these functions will be utilized, right? I am not interested in the definition of what is rank versus dense rank versus row number. Like, those are lame questions to be asked. All I'm interested is, do you really understand the real use case where a dense rank will be used versus a rank versus a row number? And this is where a lot of people will make mistake. If you see in the table, if there is a tie, right, and at any position, right, there are same people with the exact same salary, you have to take care of that situation here again, right? So if it is row number, it will simply not take care of ties. Dense rank and rank generally take care of ties. Well, not generally, it does take care of ties, but I have to identify where exactly do I use rank and dense rank. So in this particular case, let's suppose there was one edge case where the highest salary was kind of a duplicate. There were two people with the same exact salary. Now if I use rank, the challenge would be that it will skip the next number, right? So you have 1 1, and the second highest salary will be ranked as 3, and therefore when I'll use rank here and when I'll try to filter it based on rank equal to 2, I will never really get an answer, right? This is where you can't use rank, you can't use row number, because it is not taking care of the duplication part, and therefore the only answer here is dense rank. Okay, so it is very important to understand the use case. Don't just mug up the definition of rank versus dense rank versus row number, right? At interviews, I will generally, good interviews will try to trick you to test whether you really understand the use case or not. Okay, thank you.